What's up, SJ family? What's up, SJ gang? It's your boy Shamar.
And it's your girl Joy.
We coming to give you the real,
the genuine,
and the most entertaining content. Where we going, babe? Where we going?
We going.
We going to Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico, y'all.
No, we gotta do it better than that.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. How we
going to Puerto Rico.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. We going to
Puerto Rico.
All
Right, y'all. So we are going to Puerto Rico. Turn up for Shamar's sister's birthday.
Yes, it's
Where
up. You wanna be at? You wanna be at? We outside. Actually, sorry to bust your bubble. We inside, right? We inside. We inside right now, but we finna go to. But when we hit the airport, we finna go to Orlando Airport.
Okay, y'all. So this
The big O, the little O. Man, Orlando like the backyard.
Y'all, so this is our first time getting on a plane, and for some reason I'm not scared. I'm
not
actually
scared.
Excited, but y'all gonna be able to see our reaction.
Hold on. Show my hair. My
Oh yeah!
Retwist. Boy, I got a retwist.
You gotta wait. You ducking the camera. You running from it.
I ain't running. Oh, go that side. Go that side. I gotta get that.
Let me get you. Ooh. Come on. Sit.
Okay. Word.
Y'all gotta see it during the daytime. But anyway,
we finna come. Hey, we finna come with the fits. The fits, like
we coming
real.
with the looks.
Like she doing. You already know Joy gonna do her thing.
You already know.
I'm gonna do something, little something.
You gonna do your thing too. But anyways, y'all, we was just updating y'all to where we are going and everything that's going on, because when I tell y'all next time y'all gonna see us, we gonna be at an airport. Then I know y'all ready for us to get to it, so we ain't gonna spend too much time.
We ain't gonna spend too much time talking to y'all on the camera without y'all seeing that sunny sun in Puerto Rico.
We gonna get there. Anyways, we will see you guys. Oh wait. Subscriber count. Let me see.
Meanwhile, she do that. Look at this luggage.
Wait, I got it. Oh yeah, show me my luggage.
Luggage, nice and packed. Mine's a little. Hey, don't mind the little pink tag. I had to get it.
Oh, I got it.
I had no choice. You know, black.
I got.
If you got a black suitcase, your junk will get stolen. Your junk will get stolen.
I got the number, baby.
What?
We are currently at 754 subscribers.
Man, the goal is to get.
The goal is 1K by my birthday. Can y'all do that? Anyways, we'll see you guys at the airport. Peace.
I'm ready for these little cheeses that they finna give us on the little plane. I'm hungry. I'm tired.
Come on, this shit be like this big.
You like this big?
This big.
I only need like 5, bro. I mean, like, they don't get no peanuts.
Hell no, this ain't the damn 2000.
Man,
We going.
Where the money reside.
birthday girl. Gonna go on her birthday. Follow me. Don't follow me. I couldn't go all the way over. Y'all, we are at the airport. Tell them, babe, where we
At the airport, bro.
We just
It's
parked
my
the car.
first time at an airport, though. That's the thing.
No, for real. This is our first plane ride. Like, y'all, this whole experience is just about to be new for us.
Yeah. It's the start of our
But-
travel journey, though.
I'm excited, though. Shamar back there holding my suitcase while I'm sitting here with only a little bag. I feel great. Ooh. This airport look really nice, y'all. It got a cute little
I feel like I'm
water
in Titanic.
fountain.
And this y'all.
You feel like you in a
I feel like I'm in Titanic. Talking about.
Y'all, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel at the Mar1K. Period.
We getting in. Finally. Bro, we finally getting in. They split us up.
They split us up, y'all, sadly. And
So I don't even know if we get no window seat, we get no B-roll. So if you don't see no, you know what I'm saying, the little outside, then just know we ain't get no window. I ain't get no window seat. She ain't get no window seat.
Thank you. Y'all, it's not that bad. Not that bad. I'm calm. I'm calm. For right now, I wonder what Shamar doing. Turning. Oh, why we going sideways?
You gotta turn on to Puerto Rico.
So your girl is on the plane, y'all. She on the plane. How you feeling, Renika?
You should have did your reaction.
I did. Oh my gosh. I got a window seat first class.
Entramos a 10.000 pies de altura. A partir de ahora puede usar las dos.
We have said everyone.
We are officially in Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
We are officially in Puerto Rico. We're finna take pictures at this I Love PR sign. It's not even hot out. It's not even hot out here. It's not even hot. It's not even hot. Let me stop talking junk for right now, cause it's probably gonna get hot later. We finna have so much fun in Puerto Rico. We finna have so much fun in the PR.
All right, y'all, so we are finally back at the Airbnb in Puerto Rico, and let me just show y'all, cause it's real cute. It's giving, y'all. We finna have so much fun.
This young is 5.
So I'm not really gonna do too much explaining. I'm just letting you see. You know what I'm saying? But look at these chandeliers. It is so cute. And look at the TV area. Now, when you come further in, y'all, look at this big behind kitchen.
This kitchen 5. This kitchen 5.
fire.
Like, this kitchen is 5.
The kitchen is fire, y'all. Okay, so we about to show y'all our room.
Oh, so this our room. This our room right here. First thing you see in this thing is lighting. Lighting.
For real.
Lighting is real good in this room.
We opened the curtains, y'all.
We open the curtains. We really don't even need this light right here, but we open the curtain. The closet size, we got all the closet stuff right here. We ain't unpacking nothing.
A huge closet. And then we have a bathroom in our room. Yes. Comes with the shower. So this is birthday girl room. Say hey, Renika.
Hey y'all, I'm tired.
For real. So this is her mi casa su casa. What it means for dad. And we're gonna show y'all the last room. Period, mom. Period. 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 Then the last bathroom, y'all.
Ew, no.
Hey y'all, so we just decided to just go walk the beach.
So we just walking the beach right now. Today we did the first day. We just chilling,
First day.
not doing nothing.
It's a chill day.
We going tonight. We going later
Watch
tonight.
yourself.
Go ahead. Later tonight we gonna what it's called. We gonna go out to eat.
It feels so good out here, like relaxation.
Bruh, it is not even hot. It feels so good, and it's in the middle of the day almost.
Perfect weather.
It's not even hot out here how I thought it was gonna be. It's not hot. Babe, somebody's house got rock climbers.
Oh my gosh, that is so nice.
You know, hey, you know you rich when you got rock climbing on the side of your house, for real.
Yeah. Renika. Nah, she relaxing on her birthday. That's what I'm talking about.
I feel like taking my shirt off and just taking everything off and just going right in the water.
I just want to hop in. But y'all, we only came to just look at it. As you can see, I wiped off all the makeup and stuff because it was pretty messed up after the airport. But like, we only just came to just check it out, and it's beautiful. I could stay out here all night. Like, it's so pretty.
What's up, YouTube? You know we gotta look clean. You see the shades. You see the shades. Let me see you, babe. Let me check you out. I think I see.
Hello, this is us.
Hold on.
Hey y'all, so this is my outfit. I look good. I'm gonna show y'all at the
We're gonna show y'all the nails. We gotta get in.
because we are getting in an Uber right now. So, outfit of the day. This is from Amazon. All jewelry. Yes, my nails is gone. Yep, I took them off. All jewelry from Shein. Outfit from Amazon. Period. Don't play.
Them damn outlets finna kill you. See, this is the place we're trying to get to. Horseback riding, ATV, that junk will be fun. That junk will be fun.
I'm ready. Y'all, I never rode a horse before. Never went ATV
I
riding.
rode a horse before.
Barely.
No, what you mean? I rode
You
a horse
walked
before.
around the parking lot.
It wasn't so the first time I rode
But
a
it
horse,
wasn't even-
the first time I rode a horse, it was me, Joy, and her mama. We went to what it was, Publix, and it was a man riding around with a horse
there, yeah.
and he was like basically like I think it was like $5 to
You
ride
still
around.
got that picture?
I think I think I
horse
do.
was- his leg was
that
taller
horse
than
was
you.
huge. That leg was taller than
So
her.
huge, for real.
I feel like I was on like I don't
Ooh,
know.
look at that
Oh, but you
rice.
remember
I should've got a
Shamar at
side.
the old church? They used to have the horses come up there.
Yeah, but them little ponies.
No, it was a big horse, and we used to get on them.
I only remember the little ponies.
Don't know what I want. I'm just hungry. My stomach hungry. My stomach hurt.
Y'all, we are hecka sleepy.
So sleepy.
We've been up for more than 24 hours.
Well, not me. I had a quick
He
little
went to
hour
sleep. I haven't. So excuse me.
for the tired and the low energy. But
Right.
this is just the end of day one. Tomorrow, finna be litty.
Day 2, we are going to ATV and horseback ride. So make sure y'all stay tuned.
Good morning, SJ family. It's day 2 of the Puerto Rico vlog, and we
Day
finna man to.
Y'all, we got some good sleep, so it's time
Wait,
to
hey,
turn
that's
it
but
up.
that's sleeping. Hey, that Puerto Rico sleep.
Yeah, Puerto Rico.
It's different. That Puerto Rico
average,
sleep
you know?
is different.
I was knocked out.
I was knocked out.
Me too.
For real. But today we got so much planned. Like we got this
A long
ATV
day ahead of
ride.
us.
We got this horse
Horseback ride. I've never
riding.
been on the ATV. I've never
Yeah.
rode horses.
I rode a horse
So
before
this
one
is
time though, in a Walmart parking lot.
So this is all like new, okay, y'all? This is all new to us, basically. And we're about to have a good time. You know, we're going to. It's just a lot planned today, so just stay tuned. We are about to head out and get to care about Rainforest Park, so we will see y'all when we get there. We made it to Carabali Park, y'all.
Made it to Carabali Park, y'all. See,
Good.
look. Where everything is. Today we finna do ATV and we finna do horseback. But they got go-karts. They got some food over here. We finna show y'all the food places
Y'all
and all
don't
that.
understand. This was one of the best. That Uber ride was one of the best rides I ever took. I advise anybody who come to Puerto Rico to get out of San Juan and go more where the mountains are.
Cause San Juan like the tourist spot.
Try to go to like Laquillo, which is here.
We don't know how to pronounce these words, so
And that's how you pronounce it.
that's how you pronounce it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Rio Grande.
I don't know.
Try to just get out and go to places with the mountains and stuff, like excursions and all that. It's so beautiful out here, y'all.
fire. Hey, we had to come with what it's called? The phone camera. Renika.
How about the vehicle? Come right over here. On that note, which one do you take first? Also, for the gentleman, look it in, look it up, look off.
That's crazy. This camera do not do justice. That is crazy.
These plants also secrete a really horrible smell whenever you light them on fire. It's giving us a little smacky and a little slow. If you smack the whole branch, it'll all close down. That's for it. That's why it says I should have kicked it.
Why you slapped it?
You ain't hurt.
Ain't
Also, this leaf, it looks like aluminum. Aluminum. Look at this.
Hey.
It's constantly repelling water. When you take it out of the water, there we go. Look at that. I don't lie, I always say the truth. When we take it out, dry.
That's fine.
On that note, guys, if you want any foods and drinks, the kiosk is right up there. If you need me for anything, I'll be right down here.
First though, the higher you go up them hills,
Man,
it
that
start
jump
getting
was
real
so fun. We sipping on some water with some lime, you know what I'm saying, bougie. But no, that jump was so fun. Follow us on Instagram if you want to see them pictures.
That underscore is just joy.
Because that was my first time riding an ATV though. Especially riding up the mountains, that jump was so fun.
Yeah, I had the passenger seat, so just
She had the passenger seat, so she
the
had
views
the
was
views for
raw.
her was just crazy.
The views was so raw, y'all. You can see the mountains, you can see the houses in the mountains. It's just like that jump was so nice. I do recommend that y'all come here and do that. Horseback riding next.
Yeah, we got horseback riding next.
I'm a little nervous. No, I'm not.
You a little
I'm
nervous?
ready.
No, I'm ready.
I'm ready. I just hope I don't get
I
no
just hope I
horse
don't
that
get
cut up.
no attitude, no horse with an attitude.
Okay.
They were like,
Bruh, remember he's tired for the day. He said I'm clocking out.
right. I'm going on my lunch break. That boy
And
said, I'm
everybody
going on my
ran to
lunch
her like, and she's like, what?
break.
I
don't know what they got
said
there.
I was gonna get a snapper this trip. I'm getting a snapper. But they got a lot of stuff though. Quesadillas. They got everything.
Make sure y'all, when y'all travel, y'all go and get day food. Don't get stuff you can get back when you at home.
I'm recording. Make sure you get me.
You see it? This joint is fire. The scenery is amazing as always. Me and my dog Robin. His name Robin. Me and my dog Robin. We chilling. All right, I see Pedro.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah. Come on, Robin. Yeah, don't let him beat us, Robin. Come on, Robin. What? What? When they probably broke up. We ain't finna beat Robin.
We are in Puerto Rico, y'all. We really. My little buddy.
My name Robin.
His name Robin. This is Pedro. Pedro is being good, but he keeps wanting snacks. I told him I'm gonna let him get snacks if he just be good, but he been taking
The camera don't do justice. It look fake.
Yeah. Oh no. No, I didn't know either, but
I didn't even know it was a lot of stuff to do.
No, you could have came up there just chill and eat food.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I didn't know you could do that. I told you that though.
Marty, did you see where Radika got stuck?
Yeah, so I had like.
No, this man, he probably was mad at her because he holding her up. Like he said, put your hand right here, and he's holding her, and she like, hey,
It's stuck.
no, she saying to me like, what I'm gonna do?
If you tell them to go left and right, they gonna go left and right, literally.
Like when my horse got too close to the other horse.
Like my horse, she wasn't even finna eat nothing, but I said, nah, you gonna eat something. That thing said, it was like, alright. What's up, y'all? We at Hottie's right now.
We are at Hottie's restaurant.
We just jump. It's jump. We finna eat some real good food.
We're about to eat some real good food. Let's get a drip check. If my energy is not there, y'all, I am just so freaking hungry right now. Literally, I could eat anything. Literally.
I could eat a whole damn pound right now. But yeah, we'll talk to y'all when we get into the restaurant.
Okay.
Alright, y'all, what's up, y'all? It's day 3. It's the next day from yesterday. We just got caught in the rain.
Y'all, this our last full
It's our
day.
last full day.
Y'all, do we look a hot mess? Get a drip check.
I mean, this ain't no real drip. I just got on a white tee, short, and some shorts. I'm chilling though. Let me see. You look good though. Yeah, get the scenery. It's so fire. Like, we ain't go nowhere yet. Just heard the rain. We finna walk to the forts right now, so y'all gonna see the forts. It's so big. It's so fire. We finna head to the corner store.
Okay, you can go down there.
Yeah, we heading to the corner store right now. We can't go down there? They sell shots in the corner store. Find something to eat. But this strip is fire though.
Sun come through.
That sun blazing now. You see that sun shining on that forehead now.
We're waiting for the umbrella street, y'all. Oh no, in the fort. And I wanna wait for the fort. So currently we are on a mission to find something to eat in Puerto Rico because we are starving and I'm hungry.
Oh, they say she got more.
Look, Rico! Oh, he smells so much.
He eating it. He eating mine. Boy, you a messy eater, boy. What you doing?
You want mine now?
Don't waste the food.
Yeah, he wasted it. He a mess.
Oh no, what he trying to do is he's trying to get it off your hands so they can eat. Oh, I see what you trying to do. He's trying to get it off their hands so they can eat. Uh-huh. He like, oh, he cooking it off too. I respect it. Nah, he's,
He won't me down.
Hey, make it rain, Sure. Nah, he not trying to eat. He getting everybody else food. Say, babe.
Hey y'all, so I'll probably look a hot mess right now.
I look like I got a low cut right now. Hey,
It's
let me know
so
how I look with a low
hot
cut.
here.
It's not hot, to be honest. It's just,
Somebody just texted me and was like, is it hot there? I was like, no, actually
It's
it's
not
good.
hot.
It's not too hot.
yeah, we found somewhere to eat. I don't know what
We
it's
are
called.
eating at
It's called Cayo.
It's called Cayo. It's in Cayo. Yeah. It's in Old St. Juan. Fish tacos and then we got shrimp tacos. And then we got red beans and rice.
But tonight I want snapper, y'all. I've been trying to find snapper this whole trip. So I'm gonna get it tonight because it's this one restaurant everybody keep recommending, so I gotta have my snapper there.
I want that one. What you got, Rico? I'm about to get that.
That food was a 10 out of 10, best thing I had since I was here.
Bruh. But 10 out of 10. That thing was like a 12 out of 10. That food was so
We went to Cayo
good.
Caribe. I have to let y'all know when you guys will see it when y'all already seen it.
Y'all already see it, yeah.
But
well, yeah, that food was so dang good. I ain't never tasted no rice and beans like that before.
So
and then
good.
the shrimp tacos, oh my gosh.
It's so good. So
Shrimp taco was so good.
The shrimp tacos was good.
So good. We're looking for the umbrellas right now. We already passed the port. We're gonna show y'all the port. You said what? yeah. This is why you travel. This is exactly why you travel.
Y'all, we are at the fort in Puerto Rico, and when I tell y'all, this view is like...
It's like the camera don't do justice at all.
The camera don't do justice. Like, this right here is beautiful. You look good. You pretty. You so pretty. Thank you. I like your mom. Thank you, girl. I do. Yup. Wait, is it like a ramp or is it like sturdy?
I don't know if it's a cliff.
No, in there.
It's a cliff. Yeah, they over there. It's a cliff. Come on.
Is it sturdy?
Come on, y'all. We're gonna go up there. That's on my YouTube. I'm not gonna pause, Joy. Yeah, look, it's a cliff. Look, y'all. I'm on this cliff right now. I ain't gonna cap. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little scared, but I'm gonna do it so I can show y'all the view. Look. Way down there. Amara, say what's up. Here we go, y'all. Oh yeah, definitely. This is definitely vibes for real. Built this court, y'all.
Y'all.
I'm gonna build it so the kids can stay out of trouble and stuff.
So y'all, let me give y'all a little quick rundown of last night and today. So, Shamar, me, I left my phone in the Uber last night.
Okay, y'all, let me tell the story, because this boy had a whole fit yesterday. Didn't want to do nothing but just lay down and go to sleep.
Yeah, man, I just went to sleep, man. I had to sleep that anger off, bro.
You made me mad. Because I was telling you to be thankful that at least you know where
and
it's at.
Yeah, I know. I was thankful.
But anyways, y'all, we was leaving Hottie's last night and we took an Uber, and in the Uber, Shamar left his phone. So we was logging in to find my iPhone.
Everything, dog. And I ain't even know my password last night. So that's what even made it even worse.
So then once we finally got in contact with him, he was just like he was too tired to come, and that he would do it tomorrow.
You know, that triggered me. That triggered. I'm like, this nigga ain't gonna come. This nigga ain't gonna come.
But then Shamar, he thought like the man was gonna take his phone or whatever, because he was saying I can't bring it today. But it ended up working out fine, and he did.
Yeah, he
God
been
bless
acting
that
up
man,
like
'cause he was so sweet.
Dude was cool. Like, good thing he spoke English, but he didn't even have to bring it back or nothing. Like, he didn't have to bring it back at all. But that was cool. Like, he brought it back. Like, that was so cool. I'm just happy I got my phone back, for real. People ain't got money like that, just be buying phones all the time. For the people that want to know history. So y'all can go ahead and screenshot it if y'all want to. I'm gonna go real slow for y'all. You can get speed through the video. For people that speak Spanish, you wanna know if we got our Spanish viewers. Yes, we here right here. Watch out for the puddle, baby.
My breath is literally taken away. It's so beautiful.
What's up, y'all? It's been good in Puerto Rico. You know what I'm saying?
Last day, y'all.
Last day. Not last full day, but last day.
Last day, our flight leave at 5:04 p.m. And right now, we basically checked out a little early so we can go get breakfast.
Yeah, we're gonna go walk to this brunch spot. I don't know where it's at, but
yeah, I don't know where it's at either. But yesterday, we really abandoned this vlog a little bit. We was tired, y'all. After doing all that walking for like 6 hours, we came back, we ate, and that was that. So y'all ain't really missing nothing anyway.
we're going across the street and walk the road.
Look at Shamar holding my suitcases. He a gentleman, y'all. This is Puerto Rico. We are castaways. We are castaways. Aloha. Look at G-Wag. G-Wag, G-Wag.
Big bag, big bag.
Okay, y'all, so we are leaving Puerto Rico. He getting everything situated. And y'all, we just got checked in our bag or whatever. So now we just gotta drop it off, you know, and get it weighed. And yeah, y'all, like, it's so long, Puerto Rico. I had a great time. Shamar, did you have a good time?
Yeah, I had a real good time.
Oh, wait. Yeah, Shamar, did you have a good time?
I had a real good time.
Had a good time, y'all. We did 3 days, and we did 4 days and 3 nights, and it was just a good time. We had breakfast this morning. We didn't get to show y'all, but we basically just had like a cheese panini. That was real good. And yeah, I mean, we're about to get back on this flight, so Shamar is too busy fixing this, but we're about to get back on this flight, so just enjoy this Z-roll until we see y'all when we get back to Florida. Say bye, babe.
Bye-bye, what's up?
Deuces. Hey y'all, so we are on the way to go see these flight attendants about our tickets because we ain't really got no seat or nothing like that. But anyway, this trip is so funny, bro. Good vlog.
Man, we were just looking at the beginning of the vlog before we even left
everybody
Jacksonville.
start editing their vlogs.
We started to edit the vlog. It's funny, bro.